Number 1. 1994 Ford F-150, price $8,900, one-owner 2WD pickup powered by a strong V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 166,000 miles, this classic Ford features a white exterior complemented by a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck was originally purchased brand new in 1994 and has clearly been cared for over the years. About 4 years ago, a replacement 5.0L V8 engine was professionally installed by Mark Ficken Ford in Charlotte. The truck remains largely original and has never been involved in any accidents. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, dual fuel tanks, and a brand new set of tires. The rear fuel tank may require servicing, as it reportedly smells like varnish and its functionality is currently unknown. The interior is somewhat dirty at the moment, but plans are in place to have it professionally detailed and cleaned. The chrome trim and brightwork are also in excellent condition, giving the truck a clean and well-kept appearance overall. Number 2. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800, comes equipped with a 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and has 128,000 original miles. It features a green exterior paired with a gray interior, and the truck remains fully equipped with everything in working condition. Since 1995, it has consistently been garage kept, helping preserve its overall condition. The interior remains truly immaculate and must be seen in person to fully appreciate how well preserved it is. The truck was never abused and still presents extremely well inside and out. It does have some rust, but nothing severe for its age. Brand new tires were installed just 2 months ago, clean Michigan title in hand. Trucks in this kind of original and well-maintained condition are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Number 3. 1986 Ford F-150, price $8,000, equipped with a reliable 5.8L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering the classic power and sound that vintage Ford trucks are known for. With 203,000 miles on the odometer, the truck has been well maintained and remains in good running condition. Finished in black with a striking red interior, it has a clean, classic appearance that stands out both inside and out. The interior is in good condition for its age, showing well with a solid overall presentation. The exterior is also in good shape and keeps its classic style intact. It rides on great wheels and tires that give the truck an aggressive and timeless look while providing a smooth driving experience. Although the truck does not have AC, it has been lightly driven by the current owner and continues to run strong. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,600, powered by a reliable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and has 191,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a black interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has been well maintained for its age and still retains its original paint. The truck runs and drives well, offering solid overall performance and dependable reliability. It features a clean set of 454SS wheels wrapped in oversized tires, giving the truck a more aggressive stance and classic street truck appearance. The interior remains in good condition with a well-kept cabin, while the exterior also shows nicely overall with good presentation for its age. According to the owner, the truck is in good running condition, has good tags, and is ready to be enjoyed as a dependable daily driver or classic Chevrolet pickup project. Number 5. 1993 Ford F-250, price $7,800, powered by a strong 7.5L gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed ZFS 5-42 manual transmission featuring the granny low first gear. The truck is a 4x4 model and has 234,000 miles on the odometer. It comes finished in blue with a matching blue interior, giving it a classic old-school look. The truck runs and drives well, with the AC blowing both cold and hot as it should. There are no check engine lights on, and the tires are reported to be in great condition. The only known issues are an emergency brake that needs attention and a minor exhaust leak. At 33 years old, the truck still appears to wear what is believed to be its original paint, showing normal wear and character consistent with its age. Overall, it presents itself as a solid, honest classic Ford pickup with plenty of life left. Number 6. 1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $10,000, clean and well-kept truck with 315,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic white exterior paired with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered Tacoma stands out as one of the cleaner examples available for its age. It is also equipped with the highly desirable e-locker rear differential, adding extra capability and value for both off-road use and everyday driving. Over the years, the truck has clearly been maintained with care and attention. Several important maintenance items and upgrades have recently been completed, including new brakes and rotors, lower ball joints, carrier bearing, U-joints, wheels and tires, rear seat belts, washer fluid reservoir, windshield wipers, and fresh window tint. A toolbox has also been added for extra convenience and utility. Number 7. 1996 Ford Ranger, price $6,000, comes with 109,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a red exterior, and a tan interior. Powered by a V6 engine with 2WD, the truck has been well cared for throughout its life. It was originally purchased brand new in 1996 by the seller's grandfather and remained in the family ever since with a clean title. After sitting for a few years, the current owner invested significant time and money into getting it back into reliable driving condition, and it has since been used as a daily driver, so the mileage may continue to increase slightly. The truck recently received newer tires and a brand new headliner, both installed after the photos were taken. The truck does not currently have a driver's side mirror, and the air conditioning is not working. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,500, powered by a dependable 5.2L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4WD drivetrain. With 169,000 original miles, this gasoline-powered shortbed truck has remained in the hands of only 2 owners and has been kept in solid running condition over the years. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck does not leak any fluids. Finished in silver with a blue interior, the truck still presents well and retains its classic Dodge styling. The body and overall appearance are in good shape for its age. It also comes with a clean title, adding to its appeal for collectors or anyone looking for a reliable classic pickup. The paint still shines nicely, although there is a small crack present, consistent with normal wear on an older vehicle. Number 9. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,000. It features a black exterior with a blue interior and has been well maintained over the years. The truck runs and drives good, and the previous owner took great care of it. It has very little rust and comes equipped with a heavy-duty setup, bed liner, and solid undercoating. Many parts have been replaced over time, including the bearings, tie rods, AC compressor, alternator, rotor, cap, spark plugs, wires, shocks, fuel tank, and fuel pump. The power windows work properly, and both the air conditioning and heat function as they should. The 4-wheel drive system is also in working condition. The truck does not currently have a radio installed, and the tires will likely need replacement in the near future, with around 20% tread remaining. Number 10. 1997 Chevrolet S10, price $3,300. This truck has 173,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving the truck a simple and classic look. The previous owner recently replaced several parts and completed multiple maintenance upgrades, making it a dependable and well-sorted daily driver or project truck. Recent work includes a new serpentine belt, fresh brakes, and new shocks installed all the way around to improve ride quality and handling. In addition to the mechanical updates, the truck also received a new roll pan bumper for a smoother rear-end appearance along with fresh window tint that gives it a cleaner and more modern style.